Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw model artifacts from MLflow to S3, detailed guide step by step clearly. To withdraw model artifacts from MLflow to S3, first, ensure that you have an active MLflow setup. Verify that you have the necessary permissions to access both MLflow and your S3 bucket. Install the required libraries, such as Boto3 and MLflow, if you haven't already. Open your Python environment or Jupyter notebook where you will execute the code. Begin by importing the necessary libraries. Import MLflow with the command import MLflow. Import Boto3 with the command import Boto3. Set up your S3 client using Boto3. You can create a session by providing your AWS credentials. Use Boto3.session session to initiate a session. Next, specify the S3 bucket name where you want to store your artifacts. You will also need the path to your MLflow model in the tracking server. Use the MLflow load_model function to load your desired model. Ensure you know the model's name and version you want to withdraw. You can find this information in the MLflow UI under the Models section. Once you have the model loaded, you can export the model artifacts. Use the MLflow.artifacts.download_artifacts function to download the model artifacts. Specify the run ID or the model URI as per your MLflow project setup. This will download the model artifacts to your local file system. Now, prepare to upload those artifacts to your S3 bucket. Use the upload_file method from the S3 client to transfer files. Provide the local path of the downloaded artifact and the S3 bucket path. Make sure to specify the correct key name for each file you upload. After the upload is complete, confirm that the files exist in your S3 bucket. You can check this by using the S3 console or by listing the objects using Boto3. Clean up any local files if they are no longer needed. This helps in maintaining an organized working directory. You have now successfully withdrawn model artifacts from MLflow to S3. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.